If you are looking for an all-material milling solution, these two beauties will do that job. The Corutech 250i Pro Plus series comes in two versions. One without the automation, the other one as a loader version with up to 6 blanks. Let's get into details. The machines are powered with a 1 kilowatt milling spindle with 60mm shank tools. The loader is accessible during working of the machine. As it is equipped with a 0-point clamping system, the repositioning of the blanks is really precise and easy. As the machine body and the axis are designed very stable, it is also able to mill all kinds of metal materials. The integrated water cooling and filtering system also gives the option of grinding block materials and PMMA. As it has the best price-performance ratio, is suitable for practice labs and mid-sized dental labs. Get in contact with us for further information.